Hello guys, welcome back to your channel Technical Sahil. In today's video, we are going to see that how do we install an SSL certificate, a free SSL certificate in the scenario that we only have one domain and one shared hosting which does not provide any free SSL certificate. Also, we did not have any CGI access to that control panel. We can't use Cloudflare. Also, we are not using Let's Encrypt because sometimes it creates a ranking problems for some SEO enthusiasts. So in this video, we are going to install a free and reputed SSL certificate on our website, which is hosted on shared hosting. Let's say this one. We first need to visit this website SSL for free. Link I am gonna provide you in the description below. You just need to sign up by click here, register, and by either your actual email address or your temporary email. Like I am gonna use this one, and also I am using the same email as password, and click register. Now we are in the dashboard. Now from here, click this new certificate. Now we don't need a wildcard SSL certificate because it is a pro. It's not available for free. The domain we need to provide without either www and http, only domain name. Now we need to click this next step, 90-day certificate. Click next. Yes, click next. Go with this free plan and click next. Now your certificate has been created and is ready for domain verification. We are gonna use this HTTP file upload method. We first need to download this file and now copy this dot well known. Don't leave this dot. Now go to your file manager, Digital Sahil. Now create a folder here. It says the file exists. Let me check. Yeah, the folder exists. Let's delete this folder and again try to create the same folder. Now after that, copy this PKI validation folder and paste. Now we need to upload the file at here which we have downloaded. Click upload, select file, and this file, open it here. It has been uploaded. Now if we wish to check, yes. Now we need to click the next step and click verify domain. Congratulations, your domain has been verified. This means that our system is issuing your certificate at the moment. This page will refresh automatically every few seconds. The certificate is ready. We need to download this zip file and open the directory. Now we need to extract this and open this. Now here we need to visit the SSL TLS status. Sorry, SSL TLS manager. Click here manage SSL sites. First, we need to select the domain Digital Sahil. Now we need to open these files one by one. The first one is CRT, which is this one. We need to open it in a notepad or any other text editor which is available on your PC, and copy the complete code from begin to end and paste it here. Now inside the private key, we need to open this one, copy the same thing, and this. Now we need to open this CA bundle file again in the text editor which is available. After that, click this install certificate. You have successfully updated the SSL website certificate. Mm, Now if we check it, yes, the SSL has been installed. If we check, connection is secure, certificate is valid, and zero SSL, which is this one, this company, and click next. Check installation. The SSL has been installed on our website. And guys, this is SSL valid for only 3 months. So what you can do is generate two more 3 months SSL with this same account. Let me show you. We can generate two more 90 days SSL certificates, and after that create an another account as well as three other SSL certificates valid for 3 months each. So I hope it solves the problem, specifically in the case of having shared hosting and don't having CGI access or free SSL certificate from the provider side. So that's all for this video, and thank you for being there till the end. I'll see you in the next one.